Indices is one of the first topic in mathematics and it has laws. We call it laws of indices. The first one we'll be looking at. Good day everyone. Welcome back on this channel, Learn with Ayo. And today we'll be looking at mathematics. And in mathematics, we'll be looking at the topic indices for a start. Alright, indices is one of the first topic in mathematics and it has laws. We call it laws of indices. The first one we'll be looking at there is addition law or multiplication law. It goes this way: a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n. Now, when you are given a question like this, you see that the base is a and this base is also a. Both of them are a. When they are the same, what do? We pick only one of the letters. It doesn't mean that it will always be letter. It can sometimes be number, 2 raised to the power m or whatever. Once they are the same like this, you pick only one of it. Then you go to the power. The power here is m and the power here is n. So I will pick the m. Then this multiplication will change to plus like this. You put the plus on top like this. Then you write this n. So that is the first law of indices.
Get the full teaching on our YouTube channel, Learn with AO.
What do we mean by that? You can have 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5. What do they expect me to do? Say 2, I told you pick only one of the two. You have 2, 2. So you pick only 1, 2. Then raised to the power 3. Then I told you that this multiply changes to plus. Then you have plus 5. Then you have 2 raised to the power 8. That is the answer to that question. That's well solved. Another one, we have division law or subtraction law. How does that go? It can go this way: a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. As we did in multiplication law, we pick only one of the letter a. That's the base letter. Then we pick the power, which is m. Then this division will change to minus at the power level, minus n. So you have it like that. That's the law, second law. What am I saying? Look at an example here. 6 raised to the power 5 divided by 6 raised to the power 2. When I have it like this, both of them are 6. Mind you, if they are not 6, if this one is 6 and this one is 7, the law will not operate. It cannot work like that. Then, but when they are the same, that's when the law can work. We have 6 raised to the power 5. Say 6 raised to the power 5 minus 2. 6, we pick only one 6, one of the two. Then the power that's on top of the first one, which is 5, then minus, the division change to minus. Then the power that's on the second one, which is 2, that's 6 raised to the power 5 minus 2. Then it will become 6 raised to the power 3. And that's the answer. If they want the answer to be like this, I leave it like that. If they want it to be in ordinary form, I can say 6 raised to the power 6 means 6 times 6 times 6. And 6 times 6 times 6 give me 216. That's the final answer. Thirdly, there is another law, the power law of indices. A raised to the power 3 bracket and they put 2 here. Now when you look at this, both of them are power. This is a raised to the power 3, then this 2 written here is also power. How do you treat that? It becomes a, then raised to the power 3. I will write the 3. Then I told you that this bracket itself means multiply. It will be 3 multiplied by 2. So it will now give me 3 times 2 give me 6, a raised to the power 6, and this is the answer to that question. Mind you, there are many methods you can follow to get answer to this question. Probably you can do a raised to the power 3 means a times 8, a multiplied by a in 3 places, and raised to the power 2 here means a times a times a 2 times. So like this and like this. So when you count all the a's together, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a raised to the power 6. Same thing that we have gotten here. Now that is that. By the way, we have many other laws. We have zero index law, we have negative index law, we have fractional index. An example of zero index will be a raised to the power 0. Any question, like for instance, if you have a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power m. When you look at this, the base is still the same, so I have a. Then you know that m is the power here. I pick only one of the power, m. Then divided turns to minus m. So you can see that m minus m plus m minus m is 0. That will come and give us a raised to the power 0. That is what we mean by zero index law. And so anything raised to the power is 0 is equals to 1. Meaning that this one is equals to 1. What do we mean by that? Even 1 million raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Any number raised to the power 0, it's come up to be 1. That's also, we have other laws of indices, but we'll be doing that in our next class, like fractional index, negative index, and so on and so forth. But mind you, if you have any question, be it what you have treated here or any question related to indices or any of the laws, you can post it down on our comment section. We will attend to it appropriately as at when due. So we'll be closing our class for today here, and we'll meet in our next session. Thanks.